Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. As you can see by the title, today I am going to organize my small pantry. I just started off with clearing everything out the cabinets. After I got everything out, I just did a quick cleaning. This is when I took all my snacks that were in boxes and took them out of them so I could have it ready to be organized in the containers I bought from Ross. Now I already have these glass jars from a while ago, and I either got them at Ross or Marshals, and they were about $2.99 to $3.99, so I thought it was great deals, but it really took me forever in different Rosses and different Marshalls to finally get a set that I actually liked. These were the cute containers I was referring to earlier, and like I said, I did get them at Ross, and they came in a set, I believe, of 5 or 6. And that set was $7.99. I think actually it was less than that, but if I'm not mistaken, it's definitely not higher than $7.99. I got this cookie jar at TJ Maxx. It was in the clearance aisle, which was great because it was only $3.99. I got these little placemats that I cut down to size at the dollar store for just $1 per roll. As you can see, this is when I start putting everything back all nicely organized. So this is the final look. I know it's really empty, however we're a couple that only buy as we need, but it was very messy, so I definitely had to just reorganize it real quick and threw away anything I really didn't use or need. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and let me know if you're a new subscriber. I really love to know who is watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.